Maya. Today we're gonna create 10 back to school hairstyles. These are hitless and easy to do. Guys, don't forget to let me know in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. And let's get started. So begin with our first simplest one. We'll select our front sections from the sides of our parting, bring it back and tie it together and just twist it. Pull it a bit to make it effortless and your topsy toe after it's ready. For the second one, we want to make a side parting and we want to select a section of hair like I'm showing. You want to tie it, make an opening, creating a topsy toe. Pull it just a bit and then you want to select remaining hair from this side like I'm showing, tie it, incorporating first topsy toe as well, make an opening, bring it through, pull it a bit. I like to wear it over my ear like I'm showing. This is so nice when I want my hair away from my face. For the third one, you want to make a parting on the cellulite. Select a section of hair from one side, divide it into 3 and begin, yes, a Dutch braid, my favorite one. So you want to cross side strands under the middle one, and then before crossing, you want to add more hair to the side strands and cross it under the middle one. So you want to continue these steps over and over about here. And you want to finish with a simple 3-strand braid. I'll braid it just a bit and clip it for later. And we want to repeat on other side as well. You want to divide your section into 3, cross side strands under the middle one, and then before crossing you want to add more hair to the side strands before crossing under the middle one. You want to finish again with a 3-strand braid, rub your second braid. And here, make sure to wrap a bit one of the braids around another one and tie it. Now you want to select a section of hair from underneath and wrap it around the elastic to hide it and tuck it into the elastic underneath like I'm showing. You're done! For the fourth one, you want to select our crown section and tie it and pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous. Then you want to select your side sections like I'm showing, a little more hair like I'm showing here, and you want to tie it over your crown section. And you want to twist it twice, okay? Pull it a bit and your half updo is ready. For the next hairstyle, we want to select our heavy side for later, and with the red we want to make a simple, very low ponytail. Pull it and then grabbing your heavy side, divide it into 2 and twist each strand one way. And then twist them around each other opposite way to create this roll braid. So you want to continue these steps until reaching your ponytail. Divide into 2 your roll braid and tie it underneath the ponytail. Pull it a bit and you're done. Now for our next hairstyle, we want to make a very low ponytail. Then you want to bring all your hair around the ponytail, fix it, and tie it with a clear elastic like I'm showing here. Pull it a bit to make it fuller and voluminous looking. And now you want to grab the ends from one side and twist it and tuck it into the elastic, and repeat on other side. You grab it, twist it, and tuck it into the elastic underneath, and your messy updo is ready. For next hairstyle, we want to select our side sections and tie the rest with an elastic. Pull it a bit. Grab a pencil and fix it like I'm showing. Then you want to select one side of your section and bring it over your pen like I'm showing. Guys, I'll have here 3 sections, but you can make how many you want. You can make 2 or more. When you're ready, you want to grab the ends and tie them underneath your ponytail. Of course, remove your pen or pencil. And you're done! Next hairstyle will need a small claw clip. So basically you want to make a middle ponytail, pull it a bit and bring your ponytail up. Grab your claw clip and clip it like I'm showing. Spread your hair all around the claw clip. Tie the ends with a clear elastic now. Hide the ends underneath and pin it, and you're done. Beautiful, right? For the next one, we want to select our side section like I'm showing, and the rest you want to bring it up and tie it, creating a very high ponytail. Now you want to twist it, creating a bun, and pin it in place. Now you want to make your parting on the side you like and twist your sections around the bun and pin it in place, and repeat on other side as well. For the last one and easiest one, we want to divide our hair into 2 equal sections and tie it, like basically tying your laces. And one more time. And now you want to fix it with your hand and tie it with a clear elastic. You want to wrap your hair around the bun if your hair is longer. If not, you want to tuck it into the elastic underneath, and you're done. Please let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite. But that's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!